and right 5. 4, more forward. Hooks 3/4 right. Forward and right 3. Caution. 2, 1, steady forward and right. Hooks on the deck. We're a little off, we're pretty far off. If you can just hold it here for a few seconds till they're ready, then we'll move over. Working the guideline. Right move. Stand by. They got a rope attached to the basket on the deck.
Yeah, it's still hooked up there.
Doing good, Matt. This is perfect, buddy.
Yeah. Moving off. Correcting.
Right, move forward 5. Forward and right 5. Steady left. Forward, steady forward right 3. 2. Forward and right 3. 2. 1. Steady forward and right. That's perfect. Hold it there. Basket off the deck. The other rails move to the rest of the guidelines attached.
Rest.
Quarter in.
Bisect guidelines.
I'm watching, man. Half in. Three-quarters.
I'm on your right side here, Dar.
Yep. Coach responsive. Good, slow mo. It's going to drive blue eyes right, bringing in the patient.